Look at this amazing plate of food. Well, the first thing we've got to do is we've got to get our rice going. We're going to just cook. Now, if I were at home, I would probably cook jasmine rice, but since we're here, we try to take shortcuts and we're just going to do just instant rice inside here. And then after it's cooked, we'll just take it outside and put it on the griddle. Now that we're empty nesters, I will confess I do have a hard time adjusting portion sizes for just the two of us because we have 3 boys and they ate very hearty portions, all athletes, and they ate a lot. So I am used to all these years I cooked these giant meals, enough to feed an army. And now since it's just Bradley and I do have a little bit of a hard time adjusting those portions down to just 2 people. But tonight, if we have extra, we'll have leftovers and we can have them for lunches. So it'll be all right. I'm going to do, I think I'll do 3 cups of rice. So just this instant, I'm going to do 3 cups of water. And then when it starts boiling, I'll do the 3 cups of rice. Easy peasy. And I'm going to salt it. This salt shaker, I'll put a link to this. You need a salt shaker and pepper shaker when you're camping that will seal so that your salt doesn't get moisture in it and get all clumpy. I love these little salt shakers. Perfecto. All right, now I'm going to get this boiling. And then the rest of it, we're going to cook on the griddle tonight. The rest of it we're going to do outside, but we'll just cook the rice inside here and then carry it out. I'm going to get it going. Just going to gather up a few things out of the refrigerator and freezer so that we can carry them outside and cook up our meal. We've actually never cooked this while we were camping before, so I'm actually really hungry. I'm excited about this meal. Yummy. So we've got the peas and carrots. And I bought this just pre-mixed stir fry set. And then we are going to add in, some, this is plant-based because I'm vegan, but any kind of steak or chicken or whatever meat you want to add. This is some plant-based steak tips. It's going to be good. We're going to need some garlic. And, I mean, fresh garlic is better, but this is easy when you're camping. And we need egg. I'm using Just Egg from Plants. Works the same, works great in a recipe. We need some teriyaki sauce, some soy sauce. We are also going to I've got salt, pepper, garlic powder. We're going to add in some pineapple chunks. And I got this packet of fried rice seasoning. It's not really necessary because we're doing the seasoning anyway, but we just make it extra good. And then we need an onion. I'll chop up this whole onion to put in the recipe as well. You can't ever have too much onion. Onion goes on everything. And so does garlic. All right, so the water's not boiling yet, but while this is getting ready, I'm going to go ahead and chop up the onion, and I'm also going to chop up the pineapple so that it's in smaller pieces. I love purple onion. All kind of Vidalia onion is also delicious. Purple onion is just kind of my go-to. I think typically you put yellow onion in this, but just use whatever you have. It's still going to be so yummy. I'm definitely not a professional chopper. I'm just a mom who likes to cook, and I like to cook when we're camping too. Meals to me taste better while we're camping. I don't know. I think it's probably the location, but something about these meals in the camper are so good. So I'm going to get this chopped up. All right, we've got our onion. And now I'm going to chop up some of this pineapple to put in it. So I'm going to chop up some of this pineapple into smaller pieces so it'll be great in the recipe, but I'm going to drain off the juice, and we'll probably use some of that on the griddle just to mix it in. I'm going to save the juice for this. Almost ready to add in the rice. Just gonna kind of coarsely chop some of this pineapple pieces, just so that when you're biting down into it, it's not so, you don't get just like a giant piece of it. You only want just a little taste of it. About half of this can I'm gonna put in it. I'll probably just eat the rest, just as a little snacky snack. You can see, I really don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay. You can make delicious meals, even if you're not like a real chef. This is gonna turn out so yummy, I just know. A real cooker person is probably watching the way I chop stuff and thinking, oh my gosh, what is she doing? It's okay. It's all good. It's all good in the camping hood. All right, so I've got my pineapple and my onion chopped. I've got some boiling going on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my 3 cups of rice. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to add in some salt to it. I'm gonna go ahead and season a little bit, even though we're gonna season it on the grill. You actually do need a little bit of sesame oil in this recipe too, and I forgot it, but we're just gonna go with what we have, and that's okay. A little pepper in here. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Yep, turned that off. Stir it up. I'm gonna stir this up so that the rice can all soak up this water, and we'll just let this sit for a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of the pineapple juice inside here. Give it a little pineapple-y taste. And we'll probably add more outside when we're cooking on the griddle. And I'm gonna cover this. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then we'll be ready to start with the outside part.
Pineapple going in it?
Yes.
And fried rice.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
That's not normal.
It is.
No, it's not. You're not normal.
All right, here is all of our stuff. We're fixing to carry out. We've got the griddle set up. This is all of our supplies. We're going to carry it out, and we are ready to move to the outdoor cooking station.
Wipe down with oil. Clean and wipe down with some oil.
So last minute decision, we decided to get these mostly cooked in the microwave so that we can go ahead. We're pretty hungry. So just to kind of speed things up, I'm going to cook these in the microwave. Then we're going to bring them back out with the rest of the stuff and get them all seasoned on the griddle.
Oil and the onions. That's all that's on so far. We'll have to spice them, but we'll let them cook a little bit first.
We're ready to take the rice out and start building.
What does this say? I might need to cook these first.
Oh, I think those will cook pretty fast.
5 minutes.
She wants some.
Beyond steak tips.
Look at. Oh, that smells so good. Just season up our steak tips. It's going to go in our fried rice. You could also do shrimp, chicken, pork, or totally leave the meat out. Tofu.
And garlic.
I love the garlic. Fresh garlic is better, but we take shortcuts when we're camping. You got to find a balance of ease and joy, I guess. The meal is still going to be just as delicious with some shortcuts. And when you're cooking in a small space at a campground, some shortcuts are okay. And that's one of them. This, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good.
Hold it closer, they can smell it.
Here, smell. Smell that? Moving the meat over just to make room for the rice. And I'm gonna go get it and we'll be ready to put it on the griddle. Actually, I forgot I already got it. It's right here. We're fixing to put it on the griddle. All right, time for the rice to go in. Like I said when I was making the rice, I have a hard time with portions.
Yeah, you got a lot of freaking rice.
Now that we don't have the boys at home, I can never know how much to cook.
That's
but I
too
wanted
much.
I wanted some leftovers. But it's going to be a lot of leftovers.
I'm not cooking all this right now.
Oh, look, this is one of the struggles of empty nesting is portion control. Mixing in the onions. And this is that little packet I got. This is not necessary because we are adding in spices, the garlic and all that kind of stuff too, but this is just good too. It's quick and easy way to make fried rice at a campground. More garlic. Some teriyaki sauce, whatever brand is fine. This is just what we had in our fridge. Smells delicious. That smells like ginger.
Ginger who? Mix it in anyway.
Yeah, you can mix it.
You don't want all them in there either.
I'm not gonna put them all. About half. A little more.
That's plenty.
Use about half a bag. 3 cups of rice, which we actually didn't use at all. Half a bag.
How many cups?
3. I got some pineapple juice too if we want to put it in. Oh, look at that. Creation. Very nice. We'll go in and get the egg and check on the veggies. We got just egg and veggies feel pretty good. I'm gonna cook them for a few more minutes. There's some pineapple juice if you want to add it. And the just egg.
All right, dump it. That's plenty.
I just took these out of the microwave and I'm just going to drain them. And then we'll season them up with some teriyaki sauce and some pineapple juice, salt and pepper. This is just kind of a little side to go along with it. This is our stir fry. Drain. And some of the pineapple juice is going in. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna take these out. We're gonna season these up too. Let me pour it on.
Yep. It's a big old bunch of food.
Yeah, but we're hungry.
Way too much for this little griddle. 2 cups, probably enough.
Probably was. That sure does look good. Little taste test. Tastes good to me. The veggies definitely need season.
Yeah.
They're just naked.
We don't need that. That's gonna be gross.
Maybe it won't be.
It's gonna be gross.
Yeah, sometimes those little guys
They're
have
not
weird
edible.
strings, which make it taste kind of gross.
All right, I'm gonna use the rest of our soy up. Use the rest of our teriyaki up. We'll probably just use the garlic powder on the veggies instead of the garlic. And if you have a wife like mine, there's never enough salt.
That's the truth. I'm all about salt. More salt, more salt. It's so good.
Good and healthy.
I would say overall my diet is very healthy, but salt is my weakness. I do like well salted food.
Some people would say over salted food.
Maybe. While we were cooking this meal, this is our beautiful view. Pretty nice view for a griddle cooking meal.
All right, so we've cooked our rice, vegetables, got those veggies out, got those seasoned a little bit, warmed on the griddle, folded in our steak tips, added the pineapple, which was a first for me, but maybe it's not. So far, it tastes pretty good, the sample. So we're ready to plate.
Yum, this is gonna be the best part, the eating. Oh, that is a huge serving. Looks so good. Look at this amazing plate of food. So, oh no, the dog's coming up. Looks so good. Give it a try. Get down, dog. Oh, that is so good. That is a great campfire meal.
Campfire.
I mean, campground meal. Griddle meal. Great griddle meal. You need to make this one. Cheers to meals at the campground. Cheers.